The Client Profile option on the dashboard provides account administrators with the ability to manage which other users can access your account. If you are not the administrator of the account, you will not see this option on the dashboard. To add a user, select the plus sign. Enter the email address of the person you wish to add as a user. Click Next. If the person you are adding is already registered to access the portal, you will see their first and last name. Pick the date you wish the new user to have access to your account. If an end date is selected, the user will not have access to the account after this date. Choose the type of access the new user will have. By default, all users added by the administrator online are stakers. Additional administrators may only be added by the mineral claims recorder. Click Save. This person will then be notified by email that they have access to your account. If the person is not registered to access the portal, you must enter the first and last name of the user, select the start date, the account type, and click Save. They will be sent instructions by email telling them to register for the portal. They will not be able to act on your behalf until they are registered for the portal. To modify a user, select the user and click the pen symbol. This allows you to set previously set start and end dates. If you wish to delete a user from your account, set an end date. The user will not have access after this date.